It's cotton candy cloud.
Okay divas, so jumping right in, today I will be sharing with you guys a quick application on these nails. The main point of this video is to show you guys these new matte nails that I've added to my nail glam collection, as well as to share with you guys the glue that I use, because anytime I bring up my press-on nails on my nail line, I always am asked what glue I use. So here it is. It is the Wonder Bond glue. This can be purchased at Sally's. To my knowledge, I will go ahead and leave it in the description box below so that you guys can have that link. I will also recommend that if you have a Sally's near you, you can just go in there and hopefully they have some in stock. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my nails. My nails are already prepped. I do plan on releasing a video on how I prep my nails. I am trying to perfect it because normally I would go and get a manicure and pedicure, but I do feel like it is something that I can also do at home. The only thing I can't do, or I won't do because I'm too lazy, is my pedicure. So I do plan on sharing that video with you guys in the future. So I just want to give you guys a little quick, like, what I'm doing here. So I do just like to apply my nails to the nail bed and apply pressure to the nail, the press on nail, and then apply it to my nail, of course. And then I like to do that for about a minute. With this method that I'm doing now, it does typically last about 1 week, and that's because I am rough on my nails. Your press on nails just depends on like how rough you are with your nails, so it just all depends on you and how rough you are. I do have a method that can make your nails last for about maybe 2 weeks, so I will share that with you guys in the future as well. But I did just want to go ahead and share the glue that I use with you guys and just some little quick tips. And also, this set is one of my newest sets. It actually is going to be released today. This is the matte nude set, and I really love it. I have a couple other colors that is matte as well, and I have a variety of colors on my nail site. I also have different sizes, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you fabulous divas so much for watching. I also want to say all my nails are affordable, so at least check them out, see what you guys think, because they're super affordable and they're super high quality. They're all gel. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I greatly appreciate it, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in the next video. But make sure you enjoy the rest of this video.